right, we are pulling up. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. So we're just pulled up here to Walmart. I used to live around here, and this is like the go-to Walmart that I went to growing up. Oh my gosh, it is dark. Hold on, sorry guys. So, hey, there you go, a little bit better. Oh jeez. Anyways, welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYang. Today we're gonna do something special. We may or may not be fishing. I do just kind of want to like cast around. It's still cold out. There's no like bass activity yet. Maybe there is, but it's very few. It's very slim chance of us catching one. But I've been wanting to do this at this place. It's on the Milwaukee River, and if you guys watch like my old videos, this is where I started my channel basically of smallmouth fishing, and I feel like this is the spot that helped me grow as a YouTuber, right? It's not the best spot. It is a long walk because they closed down all the what do you call it, like the parking areas pretty much, because they like reconstructed, destroyed it, they turned into like a building, whatever. Anyways, long story short, we're gonna walk there and we're gonna clean up the spot. Okay, we're gonna try to at least. I'm gonna buy some bags, I'm gonna buy a garbage picker and gloves, right? I mean, I'll cast here and there too. I didn't bring my GoPro like stuff. I brought my GoPro, but I didn't bring like my batteries and all that, the extra like accessory stuff. But we're gonna go ahead and try to clean this spot. And maybe multiple spots, so I might stop at other spots, because basically I'm scouting, right? And I figure that if I go out and scout, I might as well just do the community a favor, right? I might as well just start picking up garbage, start cleaning it up. Now this spot here is very hard to clean. Let me explain why. When this river floods, there's a lot of junk flushing down this river, and when it floods, it just dumps all the paper, diapers, dead raccoons. Like, I've seen some weird stuff here, but you know, maybe if I start this, somebody else might do something about it. I can't clean the whole river myself. I can't clean this whole place every day, okay? And I just think it's time to show Mother Nature love, okay? So, yeah, we're gonna do this and run inside. I can't bring the camera in because that's just how they are. I can't bring the camera in, but I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. I'm gonna turn this off. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested, follow me, tag along. Let's go scout, make a couple casts, clean the river, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Peace.
Hello?
Hey.
Yeah, I'm all sold out.
Sold out?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, cool. Thanks. So, apparently, I just came back from Walmart. Now I'm at Target, and this time I'm a little smart. I called Menards, and they just told me that they're all out of these garbage pickers that I'm looking for. That, you know, the little trigger thing where I don't have to bend over and pick it up. So we're just gonna go. There's no, I can't find anything, so I just can't believe there's no garbage like trigger picker thing. I guess everybody wants to pick the garbage today, which is a good thing, you know. It's sold out, so that means people are using it. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys at the spot. Hopefully we can still get there. I don't know if they closed it out, but we'll try. Alright guys, so we made out here to the dam. So I don't really know how I'm going to do this. I guess I'll just keep you guys running. I'm gonna pick up the garbage like around the radius here, and then we're just gonna keep moving basically. I do have around like 2 hours before I gotta get back, so let's see how many garbage we can pick up during this time. So I did find one of them garbage pickers. Home Depot actually had one. This thing was $30. It's a nice one, you know. So we're gonna go ahead and start picking up garbage. Like I said, man, this spot here, when the garbage flushes down, it's bad. Like, it gets real nasty here. But like I said, maybe if I start this, then somebody else can do it too. It's important to take care of the environment because we fish it, we hang out, we come and go in this area. So yeah, let's see what we can do. Got my gloves. That way I don't get affected by anything, you know. Stuff that people throw. It's just gets flushed down the river, so it's so nasty. Beer bottle. pair of sandals. There's some weird stuff I find here. This thing is a lot of work. I don't like this thing at all. Yeah, man, it's weird. But I'm gonna shut you guys off. Like I said, I wish I could take you guys around my GoPro, but I didn't bring that. Shut you guys off. I'm gonna walk around and just basically clean. Check this out. I found a little car. I took off my gloves, guys. It was getting annoying. Hot too. Look at this. A small little car. Kid probably lost it, man. I don't think it's adjustable either, man. Nope. It's just a tall thingy. Alright. Keep going. Alright. So, it wasn't too bad. I thought it would have been worse, but maybe because the water, like, the water system's not full blown yet, or people are just doing a better job not throwing stuff in the river, you know? Yeah, it wasn't bad, actually. I got about probably 10 pounds in here. I'm debating if I want to check out this other spot, pick up some garbage over there too, but other than that, it wasn't bad at all. Like, yeah, I was surprised. We're gonna walk back. It's a long walk, and we're gonna look for some more garbage to pick. Like I said, it's still cold. The transition of the river flushing out right now, you can say that it's like the water temp when I touched it. You can tell it's still cold, like 45-50 degrees. So definitely no bass yet. No, maybe some steelheads, but I don't fish for steelheads like that. So. Yeah, that's the update. Let's go find some more trash. Alright, so we are at the second spot. I just drove past it. There's literally nothing on the ground. It's beautiful. Maybe somebody beat me to it. They picked up everything already. Again, like I said, when the river is full blown, you'll see a bunch of like junk, like a bunch of crap on the shoreline there. But I just drove past it and I peeked at it and there was nothing there. So, which is a good thing. Like, that's great. So I love seeing that at a fishing spot. I hate it when people litter and don't pick up after themselves. And I just want to elaborate a little bit about like why I'm doing this. I don't care if you guys care if I'm doing this, right? Like, I don't care. I'm just doing this for me because growing up fishing these spots, I have always wanted to like give back to Mother Nature, because to us, we, like my family, we grew up just like appreciating Mother Nature. The deer we kill, the squirrels, fish, whatever, right? Whatever we consume and whatever we decide to preserve and stuff like that, we've always loved like Mother Nature because that's just who we are. If it make any sense, doing this makes me feel like I'm starting to appreciate it more. I encourage everyone to do it because this is how we're gonna, like, this is our home, you know. This is our home. This is where we fish. This is where we consume. I don't really consume out of Milwaukee River, but there's people who do, you know. I wouldn't, you know. Every time you're out here, I just encourage you guys to pick up trash, pick up stuff randomly, even if it's just like 5 things, you know. Just pick up 5 things. There's 20-30 of us out here, like weekends, you know. If you just pick up 5 things, or just pick up after yourself, and we won't have this like problem, you know. But other than that, I don't think there's much to this video besides me going out picking up garbage at the dam over there. Again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a garbage video, you know. If that make any sense. I'm just out here just trying to do my good deed to Mother Nature and just give back to the community, you know. And there's a lot of great people out here, a lot of great fishermen, a lot of people with good heart, you know, kind heart. And I just encourage everyone to just, you know, do their good deed, give back to the community, serve, and yeah, I don't know. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave comment down below, hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. It was a good scout, good garbage picking, good scout, and we definitely got 2-3 more weeks. I say a month, and we'll be ready to fish. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys on the water.